Hey there, welcome to Top Spot channel. Today I will share with you something about life hacks, so let's check it out. Body shops and garages don't want you to know about this amazing trick with boiling water. A car accident is an awful ordeal for all parties involved. First of all, it can be really scary, even if it's just a small collision. You never know what could happen or if the person in the other car is hurt. And then there are the financial consequences. Damage to your car can cost you quite a bit of money. Expensive. Besides scary and potentially traumatic, car accidents are also expensive. Getting a considerable dent removed from your car can easily cost you a few $100s. Most people have no idea what an appropriate price for this service is, which means body shops and garages can cut you a bad deal very easily. You come to get a dent removed, but somehow they find all kinds of other issues with your car that need to be resolved, and it all starts to add up. That's not what you asked for. Life's expensive enough as it is. Luckily, we found a trick that will help you get rid of that ugly dent in your car, and it won't cost you a dime. Boiling water. It's very easy to repair a dent by yourself. All you need is a kettle with hot water and a toilet plunger. So, how do you do it? We'll explain. Fill a kettle with water and boil it. As soon as the water is boiling, you take the kettle out to your car and pour the water onto the dent in the surrounding area. Do be careful because the water is very hot, of course. Now it's time to use the toilet plunger. Put the plunger around the dent and carefully pull it towards you. Slowly and carefully repeat this step a couple of times, making your way. Thanks for watching. If you like this videos, then hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more updates. Stay tuned and peace.